Hello everyone, welcome to another Google Docs tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make an outline in Google Docs. Now this is going to be very interesting and very simple to do. So for example, let's say you have a title right here, right? This is the title of your book, right? Or section, right? And then you want also subtitles to be in this section. So you can do is hover over it and just make it highlighted, go to format, and then go from format to bullets and numbering. Here go to numbered list or bulleted list or checklist. You can do whatever you want, but for this, let's go numbered list. And then here you will have this right here. So click on it. As you can see, this is the first title, right? Then if we click enter, we'll have the second title. But let's say we want to actually go and have a subtitle. So click tab. Tab is on the left side of your keyboard. Under the escape key, you will have tab. So click tab, and then here you can put subtitle, right? And then again, you will have subtitle 2, subtitle 3. And then when that is done, right, you can also hit tab again if you want to intend it even more, right? So subtitle 4 or even more, right? And then if I'm done here, if I go here and then if I click enter once again, as you can see, I will go here. If I click enter once again, I'll go here back to the title. So this is title 2, and then back hitting the enter and then tab, and then I will have subtitle 2, subtitle 3, subtitle 4, and stuff like that, right? So that's pretty much how you can create an outline, right? As you can see, headings you add to the document will appear here. This will be your outline as well. Let's say you have a heading. So for example, title 1, we have title 2, title 3, and let's make this a heading 1, right? As you can see, now we have the outline right here. And now if you go here to insert, we can go here and we have a lot of different things that we can use, right? For example, table of contents, we can also push it like this as well, and this is also what you can do with the titles, right? So you can also do it this way as well. But yeah, if you have any questions or comments, always comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.